This is our house. I haven't done a house tour. I'm waiting to complete some projects before showing you. However, this is my mom's living room. She decorated beautifully. Her projects are done, so I figured I would give you a little tour and tell you where some things are from. This console table is a West Elm dupe, but way cheaper. She found it at HomeGoods for I think 200 bucks. Candlesticks are Hobby Lobby. Don't know if I could recommend light tile floor. It is a nightmare to clean. This poor woman who doesn't watch TV was convinced by my husband to buy a $2,000 OLED TV. It was from Costco. The entertainment center was from Wayfair. Chair is the Studio McGee line from Target. A lot of questions about this coffee table. I love it. This pulls out so you can decorate it. However, it is from IKEA. Couches are from Ashley Home Store. They are so comfy and seriously feel like a plushy blanket. If you don't know about the lamp disaster, my orangutan of a child broke it. We replaced it with this one, hoping my mom wouldn't notice, and she didn't notice. However, I told her what happened, and she said she likes this one better anyways. I purchased it from At Home, and the table is from HomeGoods. Prints are from the Poster Store. I definitely recommend because they have thousands to choose from. This shelf is probably my favorite thing in this room. I think it's so unique, and it's from the one and only HomeGoods. I think we have 3 of these olive trees in our house. This one is so good. I'll link it on my Amazon page. I think that's everything from her living room. If I missed something, definitely let me know. And if you want to see a full bedroom tour, I can do that.